Hello and welcome to the video how to install Eclipse IDE 2024-12 on macOS. With me, I'm Haming at codejava.net. In this video, I'd like to show you the steps to set up Eclipse IDE version 2024-12 with Java version 23 on Mac computer, so you can begin Java programming on Mac computers easily. In details, I will be talking about what Eclipse IDE is about briefly and show you how to download the Eclipse installer and install Eclipse IDE for Java Enterprise and web developers on macOS with embedded Java runtime environment or JRE version 23. And you will also learn how to add shortcut of Eclipse IDE to dock and Launchpad on macOS, and then launch the IDE to code and run the Hello World Java program. So what is Eclipse IDE? Eclipse IDE is a set of tools for developing software applications, especially for Java projects. It is a very popular Java IDE. It is free and open source software developed by the Eclipse Foundation, and the homepage of Eclipse Foundation is eclipse.org. and the homepage of Eclipse IDE is eclipseide.org. It's recommended to download the Eclipse installer from official source such as on eclipse.org or eclipseide.org. And there are two types of Eclipse installer for macOS: x86-64 for Mac running on Intel CPU and Arch64 for Mac running on Apple CPU. And it's also recommended to verify the installer file by checking its SHA-512 hash. And you don't need to have JDK Java Development Kit installed before, as the installer will install OpenJDK if not available. You can choose to install with an existing JDK or with an embedded OpenJDK, which is the default. Okay, let's start downloading the Eclipse installer for macOS. So in the web browser, head over to eclipseide.org. This is the official homepage of the Eclipse IDE. You can see as of February 2025, the latest version of Eclipse IDE is 2024-12. So click the button download here to start downloading the Eclipse installer. You see, for Mac OS, there are two types of installer. For x86-64 for Mac computers running on Intel CPU, or Arch64 for Mac computers running on Apple chip. So my Mac running with Apple chip, so I need to download the Arch64 here. So click here to start downloading the Eclipse installer. Okay, here we go, and by default it selects the mirror site, which is close to my location. You can also select another mirror to choose a mirror site that is close to you. Okay, click the download button here. Okay, save the installer file here. Okay, the download is in progress, as you can see here, just a few seconds left. Okay, the download is complete, and click the folder icon here to open the folder, downloads folder here. Do not launch the installer now, because it's recommended to verify the integrity of this downloaded file before opening it. Is a DMG installer for macOS. Okay, so on macOS, open a new terminal window. Okay, and change the current directory to my downloads directory, and you can see the installer file Eclipse here. And to get the SHA-512 checksum, click back here, and you can see the link SHA-512 here. Click, and you can see the SHA-512 checksum of the file, and we need to compare compare the hash value of the download file against the value published on the download page here. If both are identical, that means I can safely launch the installer file. Okay, so in terminal, type this command sha sham dash a file 12 and then the file name Eclipse, and it prints the sha512 checksum hash value of the file. And let me compare. Okay, starting with cc5c, ending with dd27. Okay, correct. Both values are identical. That means I can safely open the installer now. To install Eclipse IDE on macOS, double-click the DMG file, the Eclipse installer. Double-click Eclipse installer application. Okay, click open. If you see this warning, okay, Eclipse installer is opening. Okay, and we need to select a package to be installed. Here, I recommend to install Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. So click here, and you can see by default it detects the Java runtime environment, Java development kit on my computer here, and the default installation folder here. I want to install Eclipse with the latest version of Java, so I click the download button here. Drop down list here to select JRE 23 for Java 23. So the installer will also download and install Java runtime environment Java version 23. Okay, and click install button. And during the installation process, you can see a warning message here. The installation process is taking longer than usual. So just wait, because it depends on the mirror size you choose. Okay, installation completed successfully. Okay, I don't want to launch the IDE by now, so just close the installer. Yes. Okay, click cancel. Okay, and delete the installer. Move to just here. And let me show you how to add shortcut of Eclipse IDE onto Launchpad and dock of macOS. So in the Finder here, go to computer. Okay, and you can see Eclipse install here under this directory JEE 2024-12, and right click and click make alias, and I rename to Eclipse IDE 2024-12. Okay, and open another Finder window. File, open new Finder window, and go to applications folder. Applications folder here. Okay, and drag the shortcut to applications folder here. Okay, and to add the shortcut to the dock, drag the icon from here to the dock. Okay, you see now I have the shortcut on dock and also on Launchpad. On Launchpad you can see Eclipse IDE 2024-12 here. Okay. So far I have successfully installed Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java web developers version 2024-12. Now let's launch the IDE to code and run a Hello World Java program. So click the icon on the dock here to launch the IDE. You see the splash screen, and for the first time it asks to select a workspace or directory as the workspace, and by default it will create the workspace named Eclipse workspace under my user home directory. So I go with the default and click launch. Here we go, Eclipse IDE. Okay, the welcome screen. Click close. Close here, and to create a new Java project, you can click the link create project on the left side here, or go to menu file, new project, and for Hello World Java program we choose Java project. Click next. Okay, enter the project name Hello World, and you can see it will store the source code under the default location, which is the workspace directory, and the execution environment JRE or Java version is Java 23. I don't want to create module, so uncheck this option. Click next. Okay, the default source directory and library is Java runtime environment. Okay, click finish and open Java perspective. Okay, this is Java perspective, and we got a new Java project created Hello World here. And to create a new Java class, right click on the src folder here, new class, and enter the name is main, and specify the package, for example net.codejava, and check this option to create main method, which is the entry point of a Java application. Okay, it generated the main class with main method, and for kind of Hello World program I just want to print out something. System.out, not print line, print a Hello World message to the standard console, as you can see here. Okay, Hello World Java from Eclipse IDE. Okay, very simple. And to run this very simple Hello World Java program, you can click the play button here, run as Java application, or right click on the code editor and select run as Java application. You see the application has ran, and it prints Hello World Java from Eclipse IDE in the console. That's my guide about installing Eclipse IDE version 2024-12 with Java 23 on macOS. You have also learned how to add shortcuts to Launchpad and Dock on macOS, and code and run your first Java program using Eclipse IDE. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.